In this video, we will study about wired communication media. So first, we will differentiate between wired and wireless communication media. If between transmitter and receiver there is a physical connection through wire, then it is called wired communication. And if between transmitter and receiver there is no wired connection, or the communication occurs through space, ground, or skywave, or electromagnetic waves, then it is a wireless communication. Next, in wired communication there are three cables, or three types of cables we can use. First is twisted pair cable, then second is coaxial cable, next is fiber optic cable. So this is the twisted pair cable. You have seen these cables in the LAN networks for connecting to your computer through hub. Also, you have seen these wires in the in landline telephones. So there are two types in this. One is unshielded twisted pair. Second is shielded twisted pair. So uh, in this, there are in twisted pair cable, two wires are twisted and used for the communication. So here four twisted pairs are combined uh, in a insulator or coating. So there you can find four pairs of twisted pair cable, or two pairs. If there are four pairs, then you have the connector RJ45, which is in your LAN connection. And if there are two pairs of twisted pair cable, that means these two are not there, or any two are not there, then you have to use RJ22 connector, which is in your telephone lines. Now why there is a twist given to the wires? If there is a in twisting, one of the wire is connected to the ground. So the effect of noise is very less in twisted pair cable, because these two signals are 180-degree phase shift. So if there is a positive current flowing, here it is negative current flowing in case of the noise. So noise gets nullified in when there are twist to the wire, or crosstalk and noise is reduced due to due to twisting of the wires. So what is difference between unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair? So you can see that in unshielded twisted pair there are only twisted pair cables. In shielded twisted pair, more protection is provided against noise or crosstalk. So how that is? Because here um, these two are used as a protective shield. That is, there can be only foil, metal foil, or mesh of the metal, that is called braided or foil shield. So the combination of these two is used, or single one is also used. Now what these two do, they will they are connected to the ground. So if there is a noise occurring, they will take that noise to the ground. So more protection against noise is given in the shielded twisted pair. And this jacket is for protection against the atmospheric condition, rain, or other things, to give the protection to the twisted pair cable. Now twisted pair cable, UTP has less protection against noise and interference. STP has some more protection, that is shielded twisted pair. Its range is up to 100 meter. you can use the twisted pair cable with allowable data rate up to 100 meter. Its cost is very less, easy to install. They are affected by EMI, that is electromagnetic interference. Signal security is not there in twisted pair cable because anyone can steal the or can take out the data from the twisted pair cable. So next one is a coaxial cable. In coaxial cable, there are two conductors. This is an inner conductor. Then these two, foil and metal mesh, are is a second conductor, and this insulator is between two conductors to avoid the crosstalk. Now this second conductor is connected to ground, which takes the noise to the ground. Jacket is provided for the extra protection against rain or any other atmospheric conditions. So coaxial cable is we can see why it is called coaxial, because the inner and outer conductors are in a axis. Next, so coaxial cable has a moderate protection against noise and interference. Then its range is more. You can use the coaxial cable up to 500 meter. Next, let us see next one, that is fiber optic cable. So fiber optic cable uses light as a signal, and twisted pair cable and coaxial cable uses electrical signals. So the here the construction is that there is a core which is made up of glass or plastic, then cladding is there, then it will give the strength. These are strength material because fiber optic cables are very delicate, and outer jacket is again for extra protection. So what is the function of cladding? So there is a core, the cladding there is a core. It passes the, suppose this is a core, it is taking the light inside it. So if there are reflection of light, then cladding will if there are reflection of light, cladding will take this reflection towards core again. So cladding is suppose this is a cladding. So cladding, what cladding is doing, cladding is taking the whatever the reflected light is there towards the core, so it will avoid the signal loss. Now, what are fiber optic cables advantages are? Its range is high. You can use this up to few kilometers. Then, but it is expensive, difficult for installation. It is not affected by EMI and noise because it is not passing the electrical signal. It is taking the light as a signal. Then signal security is guaranteed because there will not be any cases where the signal will be stealed or anything happens. So signal security is guaranteed in the fiber optic cable.